dental work is so dang on expensive. And I actually went to the dentist just to see how much it would cost to fix my grill. And it was about $25,000. And I'm not even exaggerating even a little bit. That's just literally the truth. It was about $25,000. And we're all hardworking Americans here. We don't have that kind of money. Dental insurance isn't really dental insurance. It's just a discount maybe.
10% maybe.
Yeah, and it's not even really that much. So I saw this ad on Facebook for this company called Pop On Veneers.
Yes.
Now, V, have you ever heard of this company called Pop On Veneers?
First of all, anyone who's heard of veneers, Pop On Veneers, we all know this is the Rolls Royce of fixing your grill. So this is the gem of all gems. This is like the Louis Vuitton of teeth.
Okay.
So this is huge. Like, this is huge. You know, one, it's the only thing on the market like it. Like, everyone in Hollywood, and you know, I work in entertainment with celebrities and models. This is what they use.
Yeah.
Like, everyone I've ever worked with, they're using veneers, Pop On Veneers. Like, I'm excited for you. Like, you're gonna be way too spicy, way too hot.
Way too spicy.
Way too spicy.
Spicy Papa Chulo.
You know, because your smile affects you. Like, I think your smile's beautiful, but now we're about to take it to a whole nother level.